Hi, I'm Nata from China Media World, and today I want to show you China's YouTube, the Bilibili, with 3 fantastic pop songs. The first song is by Cheng Xiang, 世界那么大还是遇见你. Even though the world is so big, I have still met you. The second song is by Mengran Miya, and called Xiaomi, and the third song called hìjiè, ouch, by Flower Band and Xiaomi. So let's start. Even though the world is so big, I still met you. This will be our first song.
The singer is Cheng Xiang, and I really love her gentle voice.
This is actually a Chinese version adapted from Myanmar, the original Myanmar song called Forma.
The song is about 2 souls that found each other. I wonder if she is singing about her cute dog. Another cover that I found, which I really love, and this is my favorite actually, is by Shuan Gibson. Shuan Gibson is also speaking Mandarin. You can see his ethnology and wear t-shirt with Mandarin on it. He has a touching story and such a great voice.
Next song is one of the hottest songs in China right now.
It's called Xiaonian, which means youth. This song is speaking about staying the same person as you were in your early youth, moving on from the past and making the right choice for yourself. The singer is Mengran, also known as Miya. After graduating from university, Mengran sang 40 songs each night in local bars. Her voice was damaged badly. She had to stop singing for 2 years. One day, her vocal cords were getting better and she could return back to singing. In her official music video, people are following their dreams. Like this person who wants to ride back on his old motorbike, or this woman that only wants to dance.
Chinese media is full of videos of people singing and dancing to this song.
If you like this song, or even if you thought it's too sticky,
give me a sticky like, and let's move on to the third song.
I must show you this beautiful video in the Bilibili. The next song is called hìjiè.
This will be a pure fan. This song called hìjiè, ouch.
And the singers are Xiaomi, American Chinese singer with the Flower Band. The song and the style remind me of Aqua Band with Barbie Girl. Can you see it as well? Although it's a pop song, the Flower Band is one of the main milestones of Chinese rock, and we can even call them the Chinese Green Day band.
The female singer is also an actress and played in few movies.
If you want to view more information on Sina Weibo, press the link above. If you want to listen to more music, wait for the next video.